Hello and welcome to Bowtie Life. In this video, we're going to be bringing the sun back to some of our garden beds because it's that time of year. Just wanted to include you in a short video about it.
Hi, I'm Bowtie Dave.
So if you follow along with our garden tours at all, you know that in our raised bed and in one of the beds in the front, I've put up shade cloth this year, and I think I might have done too much. And so I knew I wanted to leave it up. We put it up 2 months before the summer solstice, and now it's almost 3 months after the summer solstice. It is September 14th, and the sun has been deflected. The intense UV rays that I was wanting to deflect have been deflected, and you can see here I put some buckets and jugs on top of my arch trellises so that my plants would have room to grow between the top of the trellis and the shade cloth above. And I did that on both of them, of course. And so I'm taking down some of these shade cloth because we need to get our sun back again. I don't know what happened with the beans, but I suspect I had too much shade on them. They didn't have any absolute direct sun. They were just under the 50% shade cloth all the time. We got some powdery mildew on them, which caused some challenges, of course, and we still haven't had any beans off of them. So I'm going to be tossing some of this stuff hanging off here back up on top of this top panel, so that hopefully here in a few weeks maybe we can start seeing some beans finally. I'm a little discouraged, but you know, I know I messed something up, and I already have plans for improving it next year. I did put the shade cloths back on the back side of the arch trellis, and in the next outer garden bed tour we're going to take a look at how big these loofah have grown, folks. It is insane. It is truly insane. In fact, we might even have a special guest to give his first impressions. I'm trying to get someone over here that you know if you watch our channel much, and see if we can get some first-hand response to what really is happening back on that whole end of the yard. It's truly insane. That's about the best I can do it. We think Little Shop of Horrors quite frequently, to be honest. Full disclosure, it's going crazy out there. So anyway, keep an eye out for that outer garden bed tour coming up. Should be pretty soon here in the next few days, and all. Again, we're going to be having a hinky schedule for October. There might not be as many videos in October as we have been putting out because we are going on a different project in a different direction for the month, but we will be back in the garden in November, and we'll get to see what's left when we get back. So there's a lot of stuff growing. Anyway, yeah, that's really about it. I just want to say a quick touch base video, and y'all have a blessed day.